Hi and welcome to the next tutorial video showing you how to navigate around NCG online and the materials that are within it. This particular video I'm going to take you through the learner view on your site, so where you're going to have your learner profile, your course and goals and next steps, as you can see across the top. So as you can see that I'm logged in on this particular example in the Test HE course, and I'm logged in as NCG Direct Learner 4, well L4. You will be logged in obviously as yourself as you're going along, but if you in your course, if I click on there, you're in your course and you don't know how to get learner view, if you click on the NCG online icon that's there in the top left, it'll take you straight into your learner profile. So within here you can see you'll have contact information, employer details. You can update all of this information yourself, so if it ever changes or if there's any incorrect information in there, you can go in and change it as you go. And also you can add your qualifications, your current level of qualifications in there as well, which would be great, because the more up to date this information is, the better it is for both yourself and your personal online tutors and your curriculum leaders when we're having a discussion about potential progression or other opportunities that you might come across. Anyway, on the left hand side we've got create new. As you can see, we've got targets, activities, absence, note and email. I'm going to take you through a few of these. I'm not going to take you through them all. It's just to get a feel for what we have in here. The most important one that we have is your targets. So the targets that you see in there, these are going to relate to your course as a whole, but also individual modules as they go. You'll do a little bit on target setting throughout your foundation degree, and if you haven't done already, so know we can have specific targets that will be set. So in order to fill in the form, you can see on the details it'll tell you if you don't plan to review this target, just set the review date to the same as the due date. So I'll take you through. So you've got the little information blocks that are on there. The course automatically populates with the course that you're on. So go into the review date, so I'll select it. What date am I going to set it to? Let's have a 27th. So 27th, I'm not going to review it because I'm going to have that as the same date as I saw on there. But again, you can see there's a little pop-up box that will appear as you're going through. Complete module revision for MIS. Yeah, so complete module revision. Well, actually, I'll be a bit more specific with regard to 2 hours of module revision for MIS. Yeah. So the description of that, again, it'll give you a little describe the content for this target and what needs to be done. Let's see, we'll just put an example in of book on Friday 27th for 2 hours and study the normalization process. Yeah, so we've got that in there. Reason, again, it'll give you a little, what's the purpose of it? Complete this in order to pass final MIS exam. Okay, see where we're going. So measure, so the measure on there, I'll get it and tell you. How will you be able to show that you've successfully completed this target? By registering 2 hours of training within my works diary. Yep. There we go. So that's it. That's your target that's set in there. Obviously, you're going to have a variety of different targets in there. Both your curriculum leader, your personal online tutor, and you can set targets as you're going through. And we're going to discuss them. Personal online tutors and curriculum leaders won't just populate them just for the sake of populating them. We'll discuss them with you as we're going along during your actual tutorials. So you create your target. There you go, it says your target saved. Excellent. And if you look on your timeline, I'll tell you there's a target set in there, which is great. You have your grades that are in there, so anything that you've completed so far, you'll see your predicted or any predicted grades. That is more sort of generally angled at the further education students, but this may be populated within time. Your next steps, your progression options. Again, your curriculum leader will take you through the steps of this as you go. Your course goals. So any course goals that you have, you can go in and enter and update these as you're going through. So again, it's about taking the time, having a look and seeing what material's in there, but as I say, the main part of it is the target. When you're having tutorials with either your personal online tutor or your curriculum leader, we will make notes about a particular tutorial. So one-to-one tutorial with Rob. So put in there, I don't know, working through the module content very well. No concerns currently, but you get the idea. So we'll put those in there and we'll update your course as you're actually going. So create the note that's in there, and again, if you pop back to your timeline, you'll see that there's a note that's in there which can then be filtered down to notes as you're going along. So they're the main ones that you'll see within there. Absences is going to be slightly different, certainly with distance learning, but again, we'll not use that. If you go into the activity, create a new activity, that may be something which will work towards a particular exam. It'll be a period of revision. Rather than setting it as a target, you might want to set it as an activity. Okay, so that's the introduction to LearnerView. Again, if you've got any questions, please just get in touch with us here at NCG Direct. But that's it for now. Thanks very much.